How to make data entry form in Microsoft Excel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make data entry form in Microsoft Excel. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open my Excel program in my computer. Now I'm going to making header for my data. Now I'm going to select this my header category, and now I'm going to create a table for my data entry sheet. Now I'm going to click on File options and open Excel options. Okay, you can see here this is the customize ribbon options, and now I'm going to add a form tools in my home group. So now I'm going to click on drop down menu and choose the all commands, and now I'm going to scroll down here and I'm searching form tools. Okay, this is the form tools, and now I'm going to create a new group in my home tab. Now I'm going to rename this group. So now I'm going to click on OK, and now I'm going to add form tools in my form group. So I'm going to click on OK, and now you can see here in home tab, this is the form group and this is the form tools. Okay, now successfully complete the form creation process. From here, now we can enter our unlimited data in Excel sheet using our data entry form. So now I'm going to enter some data in my Excel sheet.